Rebuilding After the Flames, your guide to federal assistance after the 2025 California wildfires. The 2025 wildfires have left a trail of devastation across California, scorching vast areas of land and leaving a haunting landscape in their wake. Homes have been lost, businesses disrupted, and lives turned upside down. The destruction is not just physical but emotional, affecting the very fabric of communities. In the face of such immense loss, it's understandable to feel overwhelmed. Yet, there is hope. Communities come together, showing resilience and strength in the darkest of times. The federal government offers crucial assistance to help survivors get back on their feet. This support is vital in the initial stages of recovery, providing immediate relief and long-term solutions. This aid can be a lifeline, providing essential resources to rebuild homes, businesses, and lives. Volunteers and aid workers play a critical role in delivering these resources to those in need. From temporary housing to financial grants, federal assistance programs are designed to ease the burden and provide a path toward recovery. These programs offer a range of support tailored to meet the diverse needs of affected individuals. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. Community meetings and support groups provide a space for sharing experiences and finding comfort and solidarity. These programs are here to support you every step of the way. Navigating the process can be daunting, but aid workers are there to help with paperwork and guide you through each step. Knowing how to access this aid is the first step towards rebuilding your life and strengthening our communities. Workshops and informational sessions can provide valuable guidance on how to apply for assistance. In this time of immense need, we must come together and ensure no one faces this challenge alone. By supporting each other and utilizing available resources, we can rebuild stronger, more resilient communities. The first question on many minds is, am I eligible for federal assistance? The good news is that these programs are designed to help a wide range of individuals and families impacted by the wildfires. Whether you are a homeowner, a renter, or a business owner, there are resources available to support you during this challenging time. Generally, you may be eligible if you are a homeowner, renter, or business owner within a declared disaster area. This means that if your property is located in an area that has been officially recognized as a disaster zone, you can apply for assistance. This includes those who have experienced direct damage to their property, such as fire or smoke damage. Even if the damage seems minor, it is worth checking if you qualify for aid. Additionally, those who have suffered significant losses like displacement from their homes or loss of income may also qualify for aid. This can include temporary housing assistance, grants for home repairs, and other forms of financial support. It's important to remember that eligibility criteria may vary depending on the specific program and the type of assistance needed. Each program has its own set of rules and requirements, so it's crucial to understand what is available to you. The most accurate way to determine your eligibility is to contact the Federal Emergency Management Agency, or FEMA, directly or visit their website. They have detailed information and resources to help you navigate the application process. We'll discuss how to do that in the next section. Stay tuned for a step-by-step guide on how to reach out to FEMA and start your application. Don't hesitate to reach out. FEMA is there to guide you through this process. They understand the difficulties you are facing and are committed to providing the support you need to recover and rebuild. Applying for federal assistance might seem daunting, but the process is designed to be as straightforward and user-friendly as possible. With a little preparation, you can navigate it smoothly. There are 3 primary ways to begin your application: online, by phone, or in person at a disaster recovery center. Each method is tailored to suit different needs and preferences. The online application can be accessed 24/7 through FEMA's website, offering a convenient option from the comfort of your home. This method allows you to take your time and complete the application at your own pace. For those who prefer speaking to a representative directly, FEMA's helpline is available to guide you through the application process. The helpline is staffed with knowledgeable representatives ready to assist you with any questions or concerns. Finally, disaster recovery centers are set up in affected areas, providing face-to-face assistance and answering any questions you may have. These centers are equipped with resources to help you through every step of the application process. No matter which method you choose, remember to have essential information readily available, such as your Social Security number, insurance information, and contact details. Having these documents on hand will make the process smoother and quicker. These details will help expedite the application process and ensure your information is accurately recorded. Accurate information is crucial for timely assistance. Taking that first step, no matter how small it may seem, is crucial in your journey toward recovery. Remember, every action you take brings you closer to the support and resources you need to rebuild and move forward.